Hello viewers. Let me give you a brief on the reason for conducting the Incredible Life Academy THSC Travel Advisor course. As we all know, the tourism, hospitality, and events industries play a vital role in the global economy, yet the combined industry faces significant skill gaps that hinder growth and efficiency. As the industry evolves, the demand for a highly skilled workforce becomes critical. Recognizing this need, the Incredible Life Academy has developed a comprehensive travel advisor certification course which is certified by the Tourism and Hospitality Skill Council, one of the 32 skill sector skill councils of the NSDC, to bridge these gaps and prepare professionals for successful careers in this dynamic field. So, the tourism, hospitality, and events sectors require a diverse set of skills, ranging from digital literacy and customer service to sustainability and crisis management. Unfortunately, many professionals lack these essential competencies, leading to inefficiencies and missed opportunities. Our course, in collaboration with the THSC, addresses these challenges by focusing on key areas like digital literacy, customer service excellence, sustainability awareness, crisis management, multicultural competence, leadership and management. Our course lets students gain proficiency in digital tools, social media management, data analytics, and advanced reservation systems. Tourism professionals need to develop strong interpersonal skills, emotional intelligence, and conflict resolution abilities to deliver exceptional service, which we make them practice and inculcate here in the course. In the dynamic world of contemporary post-pandemic tourism, it is essential to learn eco-friendly practices and environmental management to meet the growing demand for sustainable tourism. The course equips learners with skills in risk assessment, contingency planning, and rapid adaptation to handle crisis effectively. The course stresses the need to connect with international customers and enhance communication, language skills, and cultural competence to serve a diverse global clientele. Through the Travel Advisor course, students build essential leadership skills, including strategic planning, team building, and decision-making. The Incredible Life Academy collaborates with industry experts to create a curriculum that meets current and future demands. Our comprehensive training includes partnering with industry leaders to ensure relevant and up-to-date training, offering workshops, certifications, and online courses for ongoing professional development, providing real-world experience through practical projects and internships, emphasizing communication, empathy, and problem-solving skills alongside technical training. Utilizing virtual training programs and simulations for immersive learning experiences, the Incredible Life Academy's Travel Advisor certification course is designed to equip you with the skills and knowledge needed to excel in the tourism, hospitality, and events industry. By addressing critical skill gaps, we empower you to meet the demands of this dynamic sector and advance your career. Join us to unlock your potential and shape the future of travel and tourism. For more information, visit the Incredible Life Academy's website www.theincredible.life, https://www.theincredible.life, or call us at 8209 711 or reach us at grow@theincredible.life.